Hello and welcome to the July papers. Thank you so much for joining me. We're just going to go through the papers, let you have a look at them across the tiers, and yeah, just to see which ones you like, which ones you would like to work with and have fun with. So let's start with the free tier papers. So if you join us on the free tier, you get access to these papers for the month, and after that it then goes into the shop. So the best thing to do is join us on the free tier and make sure you download these within the month of July. Okay, so let's have a look. These the papers that I've done for this year have been faces, and I've embedded the faces within layers of my physical artwork. So some of these are, like this particular one, I've done work in I've embossed metal and then layered the face and added some additional background images just to kind of play with the texture. So we get a full sheet and then we get a series of tags that can be used, and I really like using these and altering them additionally with mark making. Okay, so that's the free tier papers, which, as I say, you need to access them during the month that they come out, otherwise they won't be available. Here is the $3 tier papers, and we've got some more roses to play with. I used to love looking at floral catalogues. I think it was the seed catalogues, but they would show you seeds and plants, the flowers, and you'd get an idea of what the flowers were supposed to look like once they've started to bloom. So this is, if you fold it in half, it's A5. They're just slightly smaller depending on your printer. We have the tags, and again, these tags look so gorgeous. You just need to, either print them on card, or you can cut them out and stick them to card. But again, just some lovely imagery that you can use in your projects. My alarm there. Isn't they lovely? Yeah? These like ACT cards. But I like, the way I like working on these is, adding imagery, adding words. I will print them out on paper and then add them to card as I choose. And yeah, I always like to have a set of these that are already cut out, so that when inspiration strikes, I can use them in my projects. Or I hope you're not waiting for inspiration to strike, but just doing something creative every day is really important. Okay, so here we have the $10 tier. I'm really proud of this particular one. I really love the way the images came out for me in the combination. We've got steampunk, we've got my favourite colours, reds, the blues. I just love it. And then where the colours are blended, I love it. So I would do a face on this one. I'm really looking forward to working on that one. And even the black and white image, it has got a nice feel to it, and I can see something going on here. But look at the tags. Aren't they gorgeous? That would just be such a gorgeous addition to the page. I love them. Even if I say so myself, I really do. So I will be sharing some of the projects that I get up to with the papers Look at that. Yeah, so you know, if you join us on the $10 tier, it's $10 a month, you get access to all of these, and all of the video projects, all of the early release, all of the Patreon only content, so everything on the $10 and under. We also do an audio looking at a particular aspect of creativity each month as well. But I really love that. They're gorgeous, all of them. So yeah, I hope you choose to join us in whatever tier you feel, and let me know how you get on, and I'd love to support you in your creative journey.